this is something that maybe everyone has laying around the house, some mac and cheese powder, right? Mac and cheese powder. So what we're gonna do is just real simple.
I'm not saying a word.
We're gonna just whisk this mac. Are you embarrassed that I'm using the packaged mac?
I do say often on this show, I don't mind if your kids eat mac and cheese, just make the mac and cheese yourself.
Right. So I'm totally not listening to Rachel.
I know. But most people have the powdered stuff. You're right.
This will be my last co-host appearance, perhaps.
The Top Chef is literally making powdered mac and cheese for it. But I think it's an amazing, I think it's an amazing idea. And those mac and cheese sets, they cost like, what, 50 cents a box?
So fast. And then what we're going to do is just pour this.
Oh,
Look at that, right there.
I'm a convert.
Pour that right onto there.
I'm a convert.
Mix it up. Okay,
high five.
Right
convert.
And look at that.